Hi y'all, it's me. I want to share a project for Beebeecraft. I will link their shop down below as well as a link to the items I've featured in this video. I will also leave a coupon code for $5 off a $40 purchase, so you really want to be sure and use that. I'm sure that when you go to beebeecraft.com and you look at everything they have, they've got pages and pages of product from beads to jewelry making findings to dyes to trims. Just go check them out. You will not be disappointed. So let me get started. I'm going to first share with you the products that I've used in today's video. The first item I have to share with you, and the main feature of this video, are the bottle caps that I featured in my unboxing for Beebeecraft. So you get 50 bottle caps, you get 50 of the clear domes, and you get some jump rings, which are really nice to create with. I've also used throughout some of the products, some of the Beebeecraft beads that I received, and you'll see that as I show them to you. Additional items are going to be jewelry findings. I believe there's some ribbons, some clips, things like that. You'll see as I go along. I did use E6000, which you really need a strong glue when working with metals like the bottle caps. I've used spray paint. You all know I love my spray paint, so that came into play. And I've used a lot of different types of these little dot thingies. So I know y'all have them in your stash. So this is just a good way to come up with a lot of cute little things. I was going to do a tutorial, but then I realized that a lot of what I had to do had to be done off screen because it required drying time, etc., etc. So I'm just going to show you the ideas I came up with. I think they'd be great for stocking stuffers or Happy Mail little add-ins to your friends. So keep that in mind, and remember, this is a great way of using all your little doodads. So the first item that I came up with that I want to share with you is this little clip. It fits into your book, and this is a paper clip, and I will take it out in just a moment, but I wanted you to see how it fit into this book. So basically what I did was I spray painted the cap gold, which is nice because you can change all the bottle cap colors to whatever you want. And then I added a little doodad down in there, just a pretty little item. These are some of the Beebeecraft beads that you see back here, and I just think that's a super cute way to use this. I also made sure to offset the hole that comes pre-drilled in the bottle cap over to the side so that I could have a little dangle there. So that's just one of the ways you can use that. I also have another one that I did. This one is just a little different, but as you can see, it's in another book. You can use these in your mini books, your traveler's notebooks, your planners, whatever you want to. This one is a little different. I actually put the photo in the middle. I used some pom-pom trim around the edge. I thought it matched kind of her hat there. I have some glitter sparkle stuff going on in there. And basically what this is a clip, as you can see here, and I spray painted those as well to match. And so cute. You can add this anywhere in your projects, and it's just a nice little extra something something. So let me move on to the next items that I've created. And of course, there would be earrings because you always need some earrings with bottle caps. These I painted pink, and I added the picture. The glare is coming off the dome, so I'm sorry about that. But you do need to put the dome to keep it protected. So what I did was, on this one, I added the picture first, and then I one by one added all the diamond dots as you go around. I set the dome, the clear dome, on top of those, so it actually holds those in place as well as protects the picture. And there you have your cute little earrings for Christmas time or however you want to choose to decorate them. The next item I want to share with you is a dangle. I made a dangle with it. Of course, you know, if you don't have the clear coin capsules like I showed from Beebeecraft, you can use the bottle caps from Beebeecraft to do that as well. So basically the same kind of thing here. I went and used the bottle cap in its natural state of silver. I put the picture in, and then I put some little jammies around the inside, put the dome on top, and then I made the dangle with some of the Beebeecraft beads that you see right here, and I think it came out super cute dangle for your projects. The next one I did is a keychain, if you will. It's another kind of sort of dangle, but I decided to put it on this kind of a finding so that I could use it for keys. And basically what I did was add the photo again to the center and added a little bow here. This one was spray painted gold, and then I made a dangle off to the side here just to give it some little extra something for my keychain. I think that came out super cute, and what a nice gift that would make. The next item that I have for you is we all have glue, and we all need to have a glue stopper. So that is what I created for you right here. I simply put a photo in the little bottle cap from Beebeecrafts, and then I added the picture with the dome on top. And then these are the beads that you see in this background here that I use from Beebeecraft to make the dangle. And basically, when you're making this, all you need to do is this is an earring finding, which you can see right there. And this is the dangle that I made, and it just slides onto the pin, and then you push this up so that it holds the dangle in place, and there you have your pin for your glue, and that way you don't lose it. When you just have a pin on your desk, they get lost. This is not going to get lost on your desk, so definitely a cute way to use the bottle caps from Beebeecraft. The next item I have to share for you is a Christmas ornament that I came up with, and I think it is so cute. So here it is. As you can see, I spray painted the caps white. I did add some glitter in them. I didn't use the domes here because I didn't really feel it was necessary for this particular project. I glued 3 of them onto the ribbon. As you can see, they're just glued right onto the ribbon. And then I added some of the little dots, like I mentioned. I cut this out of paper, just a little nose. I cut the hat out, and I cut the scarf out. I sewed on a little button, and here's how you would dangle it off of your Christmas tree. Just a super cute project to use for your for Christmas. I think they're cute. Kids could even help you make these. And finally, I'm down to my last project share. I hope you enjoyed everything so far. Now, let's say you're going to a special event like an expo or something, and you want to have a special name tag. I thought this was the perfect way to use one of these in a decorative manner. And I know you can't see the whole thing, but it's a lanyard. And then I just used a ribbon clasp right there to close that off. Here's where I used the bottle cap from Beebeecraft. I did put some pretty little bling in there first around the picture and added the dome on top. And then the rest of it is just something that I put in there just to give you the idea of how this would look. And then you're going to stand out in the crowd because you have something pretty handmade and unique. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed all of these projects that I've created and the ideas. These are always in our stash, so use them and make pretty things. And be sure to shop at Beebeecraft. And until next time, y'all, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.